Hey guys, it's Lam here again, your tech guide. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be checking out the brand new Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. The one I've got here is the 40mm in silver and black. So we're going to do an unboxing and do an initial setup to it. The black one, I already did open it because I was overly excited to see how it looks like in real life. And we're gonna do the silver one together. We're gonna unbox that. And also we're gonna try to change the region so that we could get the ECG, blood pressure, and the oxygen level app pre-installed. The black one, I did set the region to the United States, and I didn't see any blood oxygen, ECG, and blood oxygen in that watch. So we're going to try to change the region and see how it goes. We're going to probably change it to Mexico or maybe in Europe so that we'll able to get those amazing apps. So this is what I got right here. Each watch comes with a free wireless charger. So you can see from there, which is always nice to have. So I got two. And the black one is the one that I did an unboxing already. I'll just show you guys quickly what it looks like. Well, we'll do that. We'll compare it after I do an unboxing of the silver. All right, so this is the very first time I've seen the gray color or silver for the Watch 4. And the rubber band comes with a white color. Wow, look at that, guys. That looks really, really nice. Off the bat, I do notice that the thickness has gradually or has gone down compared to the older version of the Active 2. And the design is a lot much better. As you can see, you have the frame over here, but not over here, which is very nicely made. The design, I'm really digging the design on this. Okay, this is the 40mm, and the band that it takes is the 20mm. So I've got plenty of bands that I will be trying on this watch. And here is, oh, let's check out what else it comes inside the box. Okay, paperwork, and of course you probably got your cable. Okay, let's open the black version. So you can see the black one looks really, really nice as well. There they are, black and white. Watch band, and of course you got the casing, black and silver. So they both look really amazing, guys. So I'm gonna put this on quickly just to show you what it looks like on my wrist. Wow, look at that. That looks really, really nice. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, so let's do the setup on this, and we're gonna try to change the region so that we could get those amazing apps. Okay, so we wanna make sure you turn on your Bluetooth. So there it is. Just connect that. Check the number on your watch. You want to confirm that we have exactly the same number. Okay, you want to agree. Okay. Okay. Continue. And it's just gonna download or update all the necessary application to your watch. Okay, continue as your tech guide. Copy. Check your phone to complete setup. Okay. Okay, we'll just skip. We don't need that. Huh. That is very strange, guys. So it's completing the setup. Okay, here we are. You're all set. Oh. All right, so for some reason, this one didn't ask me to change the region. He just went straight at it, guys. But the black one did ask me the region to choose from. Okay, I'm gonna try to reboot this next time on my next video. I'm gonna try to figure it out, try to reset it, and hopefully I could change the region so that we could get those apps. But anyways, that's pretty much it for the setup. It is quite simple to follow and you are pretty much good to go. So there it is. That's what it looks like, guys. Okay, there's your navigation around the bezel. Very smooth, fast. Oh, hold on. I saw something there. Okay. So as you can see, you don't have your ECG. You do have your heart rate here, but you don't have your blood pressure or blood oxygen. Okay. Yeah. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it. Let's grab my other active watches here, the Active 2, to show you guys a comparison, what it looks like. So I'm just gonna grab one here to show you guys the design, so you guys could really see the difference between the two. So let's grab the silver one here. So we're gonna compare it to a silver. This is the one that I cracked when I did a drop test review. So anyways, this is what it looks like. We're gonna compare the thickness of it. You could definitely notice the difference of the thickness. Right there. And then when we compare it all around, you could see that the design is completely different, guys. The side there. The speaker is not there anymore. On the left side, they located it on top over here. As you can see, there's a small hole there. I don't know if you guys could see that, but there is a small hole for the speaker there on the top. And other than that, the back is pretty much almost identical, guys. The sensor, but the design, the bezel size, they're pretty much the same, guys. Really not much difference. And let me see if I could get a weight scale. We could weigh it out and see the difference. So that's the old Active 2. We have 26 grams. And for the Watch 3, or Watch 4, I mean. Oh, wow. They are similar weights. Not much of a difference. Oh my. 26 grams and 26 grams. Wow. I thought there would be a weight difference between the two. And for the stainless steel Active 2, let's see if this one is heavier. Okay, so as you can see, the stainless steel Active 2 is much heavier, 37 grams. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. This video is getting too long. I'm gonna try to reboot or restart the black version so that I could change the region. Stay tuned for that video, and just cross our finger that we'll be able to get it, guys. So that's pretty much it. Once again, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.